Hi everyone, this is Beauty After 40 channel. My name is Trina, and with that I wanted to share with you where I'm at now. And what I mean by that is, part of your health after 40 is what you eat and what you put into your body. Those things are all important. So in this day and age, I wanted to point out that any time is the right time to get started on container gardening. And so what I have been up to is getting things that I can grow that I eat on a regular. So if anybody's subscribed to this channel, you know that I was raw vegan. I am vegan now, not so much raw vegan because of my job, but I am still vegan, and I wanted to start growing things that I eat on a regular. So things like kale, spinach, romaine, tomatoes, onions, things of that sort, and my fruits. So, and I'm going to do a raised garden. Nothing major, nothing difficult and hard, but I will be taking you guys on this journey as I go through and, document what I'm growing. So right now, I will be showing in the next video that I'm doing, uh, let's see, pineapple plants. I've bought bananas, apple, lemon, avocado, those things I've bought. And then for my fence, I have a chain link fence, and I'm going to put up this magnolia vine, which has these berries that's supposed to be very nutritious for you. So that's going to be on my fence. So stay tuned, and hope everyone can get into gardening, because we can't rely on our food system the way it is. You know, I'm scared that this, shelves will bare in a matter of a short period of time. They are stocked again. So I'm kind of leery as to how quickly food is being stocked in our grocery store, especially our fresh produce. So, all right, well, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time.